I'm going to show you a couple of easy ways to mute your computer on Windows 11. The first, and probably the easiest way for most people, is just to use the keyboard. Every keyboard will look a little different, but most of them will have a volume up and volume down buttons, and then often also a dedicated mute button. So just tap the mute button and the computer will get muted. Or you can just press and hold the volume down button until you see the volume indicator go all the way down. Or if you prefer to use your mouse and not the keyboard, look for the little speaker icon on the bottom right of your taskbar. Click that and then look for the slider with a speaker icon. You can click and drag the volume slider all the way down, or you can just scroll on your mouse or your touchpad to adjust the volume here. It works as long as your mouse cursor is hovering over the slider. If you click the button on the right, you'll see your sound output settings. Here, you could choose which device your sound is coming out of, and there's a volume mixer here as well, so you could mute specific apps if you don't want to mute the entire system. And that's how you mute your computer. Click that like button if this helped and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.